scooleducation.com. Today we are going to do an exercise session for chapter 12.8 in Algebra 1, page 478. We are going to do the solution and mixture problems. Starting with number 6, a 15% acid solution is mixed with a 25% acid solution to obtain 20 gallons of a 21% acid solution. So here we have first 15%, solution number 1, and solution number 2, 25%, and the mixture is 21%. And the volumes, we have the volume of the mixture is 20 gallons. And now we need to get the gallons of each solution here. So we're going to call this X and this Y. And now we know X plus Y equals to 20 gallons. Now the amount of the acid in each solution can be obtained by multiplying the concentration times the volume. Concentration times the volume, concentration times the volume. The acid comes from two sources, this solution and this solution. So let's see how much acid we are going to get from this, and that's 0.15x. And from this we get 0.25y. And this adds up to all the acid in the mixture. And all the acid in the mixture is 0.21 times 20. And now we have our two equations. From this we get x equals to 20 minus y. We can substitute here. And we can simplify by multiplying by 100 first, so we get rid of the decimals, and then dividing by 5, so we have here 3 into 20 minus y plus 5y equals to 21 times 4. 60 minus 3y plus 5y equals to 84. Minus plus 2y equals to, this goes to the other side, and we get 24, and y equals to 12. So we need 12 gallons of this, and since the total is 20, so x equals to 8. We are going to use the same setup for the second problem, which is number 10. 30 quarts of a 24% iodine solution were mixed with a 50% solution to make a 40% iodine solution. So the first two were 24 and 52. So here 24 and here 52, all these are percentage, and our mixture is 40%. So the volume of this is 30 quarts. How many quarts of the 52% solution were needed? So we do not have the final volume here of the mixture also. But we are asked for this, so let this be x and this be y. Again, we can add these two, and that will give us y, so 30 plus x equals to y. And now we multiply these two, and the amount of the iodine in these two solutions is going to be the same as the amount of iodine in the mixture. So 0.24 times 30 plus 0.52 times x equals to 0.4y. And now we can replace y with this. So simplifying and getting rid of the decimal, here we get 40y. And before we replace y, we can even simplify by dividing by 4. So we get 6 times 30 plus, this gives us 13x equals to 10y. Here we have a multiplication and here we have x. If you want to distinguish these, you can write x like this. And that will tell you this is an x and not a multiplication sign. And now we can replace. So this is 180 plus 13x equals to 10 into 30 plus x. 180 plus 13x equals to 300 plus 10x. And now we bring this here and take this to the other side. Bringing this here will give us a net of 3x and 300 minus 180. And we'll do the math. 300 minus 180, that's 120 divided by 3. And that gives us 40. So x equals to 40 gallons. So we need 40 gallons to mix with 30, and that will give us the final volume, which is 70. And with this, we come to the end of this session, and we hope to see you again.